recipe is perfect if you want to do a pizza party or actually a Panzerotto party. But I always miss this, you know what I'm saying? I miss this.
For sure you.
Boom, ta 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 ta. So smash the like for this jacket.
Now we can start with the semolina.
$250. Make it rain, Paolo, make it rain. Woo. Vito. Nice, so now let's go ahead and let's close the pincher right there.
It looks crazy.
Take a look of this slice. Woo.
Bye.
I'm getting ready.
Over the top.
Man, I love it. Vieni, come here. Hello guys from Iacopelli and welcome back to my channel. Like you can see, we are in my, I wanna say, old pizzeria, my dream that I was always dreaming about. You know, this was my pizza place in Los Angeles, Melrose. So I decided to dedicate this video to this pizza place. I'll tell you a little story about what's going on, what is happening. So please guys, watch until the end because this video is gonna be instructional, very fun, a little bit emotional, a lot of things going on in this video. The main recipe today is going to be the gold Panzerotto. Amazing gold little truffle. It's outstanding. Also we're gonna see a little bit of pizza, also gold. It's crazy. So guys, smash the like, share, but most importantly, comment below and tell me what you think. So enjoy. So for this recipe we will need half a liter of cold water, 300 grams of semolina flour, 600 grams of all-purpose flour, 10 grams of dry yeast, 40 grams of cold milk, and just a bag of sugar. Paolo, let's start this recipe.
Okay guys, we're gonna start with the water. So we add together the water, milk, yeast, and the sugar. Then it will give us the sugar. It's like the colorant. It's like it helps you for the color. So I wanna make sure the yeast, it melts the sugar too, and everything is incorporated in the water. Now we can start with the semolina. Okay. And now we can keep going with the
flour.
With the flour. When this it will absorb the flour.
Don't forget the salt, 30 grams of salt. At this point, it's time to put the salt. Paolo, of course, he got busy in this restaurant, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish this dough. So voila, once the dough is all the liquids are integrated, we can go ahead and work the dough by hands. So we're gonna work the dough until it gets all together, this way. So usually it takes about 15 to 20 minutes by hand. Okay, so now that the dough is all one piece, nice and compact, let's go ahead and get the bowl and cover up and let it rest for 30 minutes at room temperature. Okay guys, 30 minutes passed by and this is the dough. Voila. So now we are ready to make the balls. Paolo, how big they need to be the balls?
60 grams.
60 grams. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's make the balls 60 grams dough balls. This recipe is perfect if you want to do a pizza party or actually a Panzerotto party. And yes, guys, you can make the dough, you can make the pizzas with this dough. And voila. And let's place the dough balls inside a container. Put it separate. If you don't have a dough tray like this one, don't worry about it. You guys can put it in a regular sheet pan and put the plastic wrap on top. That's it. So now let it rest. Now let it rest at the room temperature. 2 hours, 3 hours, depends on the room temperature. If it's hot, even 2 hours is good. But the dough needs to double up the side. So let's go ahead and let's wait. Okay, 2 hours passed by and this is how the dough looks like. You can see it's nice and soft. And then for the inside of this Panzerotto, we're gonna use fresh burrata, some sun-dried tomato, amazing black truffle, and of course our 24K gold. Okay, so make sure to stretch this Panzerotto. You can do by hands or you can use a roller pin. So It's always suggest to use the roller pin because the pizza will come out uniform and no air. So that's how you stretch. You go ahead and flip it over. Voila. We're gonna make a nice sides, like a regular size of Panzerotto. When we have about 10 inches, we are ready to make the Panzerotto. Voila, like you can see, it's nice and strong. There we go. Grab the whole burrata right there. Gonna gently break it. Nice. Let's get a nice handful of sun-dried tomato, and then let's shave some nice truffle in there. Voila, guys. So nice amount of truffle. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. So Panzerotto, it's ready to be closed. Take a look. Nice. So now let's go ahead and let's close it. Pinch it right there. Let's close it like this. Now flip it over one time. Boom, 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 boom. And now pinch it like this. We're gonna make sure that it's nice and seal it, because otherwise the Panzerotto is gonna be closed. So that's how you close it. Now go ahead, flip it over one more time, and let's seal this other side. Voila. Okay, now we are ready to go ahead. Paolo, where are you going? Come here. You are just in time. Let's go ahead.
Perfect.
Let's go ahead and let's go fry this Panzerotto.
E quando è bello venire.
Vai.
Andiamo a friggere questo Panzerotto al tartufo. Eccoci qua. We put some oil on top, then helps to blow. You see, more I put the oil on top, more the Panzerotto it blows inside. Ecco qua, that's the right color, golden. We need some paper. Some more paper to take the extra oil, then we don't want it. Make sure to drive it up. Eccoci qua. Vito, il Panzerotto è pronto.
I'm ready.
L'ho asciugato.
Rock and roll to put the gold. I can't just dress up.
Eccoci qua, prego.
Wow, fantastic.
Vai.
You like my jacket?
I love it.
We are about to make history here, guys. So smash the like for this jacket.
We go eat that later.
We are about to put the gold on the Panzerotto. So get ready, sit down, watch until the end, and subscribe. Give me the gold, Paolo. Give me the gold.
Vai.
I'm getting ready.
Over the top.
Man, I love this jacket, man. I should put it for work.
We must go dance now, then you put the jacket.
I got it because in dedication of this Panzerotto. Let's party, guys. Let's go ahead. We're gonna cover up this beast just like that. This is the most expensive Panzerotto I ever made in my life, and soon it's going to be available at Paolo's place in Melrose.
Well, fantastic. We're just gonna cover with 24K gold, but nobody does
Sapphire.
with gold. We are the first one put it gold on Panzerotto, and we hope you appreciate and you can come and try.
Okay, guys, the last part of the puzzle. Boom, ta 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 ta. And I present to you the most expensive Panzerotto Barese, the gold Panzerotto. How much is gonna be this?
250.
$250. $250. Aggiudicate. It's not over yet. A little bit of truffle on top. Make it rain. Make it rain.
I'm generous.
Beh, that's it. Basta, va bene, basta. The Panzerotto, it's complete. Smash the like. We're gonna go ahead and taste it now.
You wanna try the
It's your turn. Cut this beast and let's taste what you got. Paolino, Melrose Avenue. I get this, baby. I get this beast. Wow. Ready? Chin chin.
Chin chin. Fantastic.
Wow.
Very good, huh?
Wow, guys. This was the most insane. I'm gonna finish this right now. I got gold everywhere. Let me say something to my friend here about Prova Pizzeria. Okay, guys, you know, I was joking till now, but this is something serious that I have to say. Today I decided to come here and do this video because something very important. is that Paolo knows already. I decided to dedicate it now 100% to you, to YouTube. I'm so happy like this. And then, so Paolo is gonna take over full 100% of Provami Pizzeria. So now it's all on you, my friend.
I'm by myself.
So
it's
Paolino,
my problem now.
Paolino Palmieri, please check out him. Come and visit him at Melrose Avenue. He just introduced this gold menu, which is the Panzerotto, the pizza that we're gonna see in a little bit, and then some pasta.
We'll do some pasta with gold too, yeah.
So the full gold menu.
Full menu of gold, yeah.
Fantastic. So guys, check him out, and then of course I'm still in Los Angeles, but my plans are totally different. I'm very happy like this, and then I'm happy that Paolo take over to my dream.
Thank you very much, Vito.
So, Paolo,
to keep it working,
the good luck. Maybe in the future.
I hope you're happy with the job I do, with the guests that you cultivate, and the best for everybody.
Of course, my friend. So I'm so happy that you are here. So we shake the hands, and maybe we don't know what the future reserves.
But I want to show you what I'm going to add in my menu. We're going to have a gold pizza with truffle and burrata.
Can I be participating in creating
That's
this
what
gold
I want to do now.
and truffle pizza?
I want you to be with me, and together we're going to do this.
So
this
stay put right there. Let's see how we're going to create this
gold pizza.
Gold pizza. Let's go. The Paolo's pizza is a little bit Bari style, correct?
It's halfway between Bari and Napoli.
Bari-Napoli.
Siamo a Pescara.
That's the way how we stretch.
The difference that I do is the type 1 flour, because it's high digestible, it gives you fiber, then you don't find it in the 00.
Stretch. So the base of fresh mozzarella. Olive oil. Guys, keep in mind, how much is this pizza, Paolo?
$360.
$360. Even the peel got scared. Oh my God. Aspetta. Okay. He doesn't need me. We make a circle. The pizza needs to be big, about 12 inches. We want the pizza a little bit crunchy, and because Paolo likes the pizza crunchy, not soft, correct?
Thin and crispy.
Thin and crispy. So we're gonna give the time about 2 minutes to cook. I come here often, all the time, even if I'm not
family. Now we're just friends.
even if I'm not no more part of this business anymore, but we still.
Because you find the right cocktail of life, make a pizza home on YouTube video, and that's the best you can do.
But I always miss this, you know what I'm saying? I miss this.
For sure, you're welcome to come and make some pizza.
I know.
Still your pizzeria.
Voila, guys, the pizza, it's ready. Boom! Like you can see, soft and crunchy, nice and bumbling. Okay, so we're gonna cut the pizza. Well, you already sliced it. So we're gonna go ahead and cover everything. Voila, guys, the gold, it's on the pizza. It's Paolo. Perfect. Boom, we're gonna put a little burrata on each slice, right here on the center, and this way is, boom. Make it rain, Paolo, make it rain. Woo!
You can tell the truffle is fantastic. Comes from Alba, North Italy. È bellissimo.
Wow, Paolo, that's crazy.
Sono proprio innamorato.
I'm gonna detach a slice here. Wow. We have to see if it's really good or not.
It looks crazy.
Take a look of this slice. Woo. GG. We have the taste.
Deluxe.
Well, the gold doesn't taste of anything, but it looks really good. I guess it's really healthy for you. The truffle, fantastic, Paolo. Well, thank you so much. Come visit Paolo here at Melrose Avenue, correct? Well, I'll leave everything in the description. And see you every week with a new video. Go ahead, subscribe and share. Okay, at this point, when was the attack? This guy basically got inside the pizza place when we were shooting, and here at this point,
Vito.
he break my $2,000 camera and the light and the microphone. Boom, on the floor, just like that, because he got mad because we were shooting a video in the pizza place. Nothing, I decided to leave this video in the here and just to show you what happened behind the scenes, basically.
Ragazzi, uno ha rotto la telecamera di Vito.
I didn't touch you, I didn't say anything. You break my camera now, he needs to pay my camera.
No, I don't want you to go nowhere in this situation.
No, so basically all I wanted was just to be paid all the equipment that he broke. So I tried, he was escaping, and then I tried to bring it back inside and just to get paid for what he breaks. That's all. This was the attack.
Vecchio film. Continui.
You have been very unpolite of it. You disrespect my place. And you broke somebody's camera. You got the wrong plate. You got the wrong plate. I know you got the wrong plate now.
Chi? Lui?
Dude, I'm scared. But thank you so much for watching, guys.